Here is how to install Node.js on the Synology NAS using Docker. First, to install Docker, under the package center, search Docker. Here's the install package. Here I already installed the Docker, so open it. You can see I already have one Node.js container installed. So if I want to install another one, I'm going to the registry and search Node. If you click this one, it will open a new browser, show you the information for this container. So this one is the official image. Going down, there's lots other information you can go through. Once you go through all the information, you can close the browser. Let's install the Node. You click download, choose the latest version, and select. So the download will start. So you can see the image is downloading. So I select the image using the launch button. It will create another container. So I call it Node 2. So for the advantage setting, to enable the auto start, so when the Synology is restarted, the container will restart automatically. So under volume, you can mount your Synology folder to the container folder. So I'm going to add a new folder, so it will mount to the container folder, the new container folder. First, you click Add Folder. The Docker folder is created when you install the Docker container. So under the Docker folder, so I want to create another folder to mount it to the container folder. So I already have a Node.js one. It's mounted to my existing container. So I create a new one called Node 2. Okay. So under Node 2, I create another folder called app. So select this folder. So this Docker folder, it will be the one you use to manage your app. Under network, I just leave it as using bridge. So under the port setting, I will use the local port 8088. This port will be used to access the Node.js on the container. So after you are done, so click apply, done. So here you can see under the container, I just create another container instance. It's running as a Node 2. So if I click detail, what I want to show you is under terminal. If you create another bash terminal, so that's the terminal for your container you just created. The folder we mount here is user, local, and app. So that's where you need to put your Node.js application here. So here you can see I created a folder Node2 and there's app. So I put a sample application here, Node.js. So if I'm doing edit, so you can see it's very simple application. Listen on port 8080, that's a Synology local port. It just display hello world. Go back to the container under the details terminal. Let's create another one. So go to the folder we created. So you can see that's the application we just created. So to run it, just tap it. So the server started at port 8080. So now if we go to the browser, let's go. Here is the application we just created. So you can see that's how you run the Node.js on the Synology Docker container.